Okay, so I'm here at the Englewood boat place where people ride their boats, obviously, you know. It's hot as God knows what out here. See? Look at the boats and the people. Yeah. Got the water over here. Got some more water over there. Well, you know, if you go this way behind the bushes, more water. Oh. There it is. You got more people with their boats coming. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know how to swim, so I'm going to be staying inside the boat at all times.
I'll be backing in on this side. I'm fixing to go back. Yeah, let's right here.
I got their fishing rods ready. About to go fishing. And over here we have my ride. Oh yeah. Don't know what the shit is called, but yeah. This is my ride. Yamaha speedboat. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. See how big that engine is? That's what she said. Oh man. I cracked myself up. Well, the next video will be me actually on this mother.